Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, I am doing 2 days a week, all Halloween videos of October. In today's video, I'm giving you something more subtle. If you want something crazy, definitely did that last video. It's gonna be up here. We did a full Halloween glam for you guys that just wanna go to a party, wanna hang out at home, wanna just be pretty and simple, but at the same time, you got spooky vibes on your face. Let's go ahead and get into it. We are starting off today's video with some First Aid Beauty Hydrating Cream. Honestly amazing if you have oily skin. I am just starting it off for my primer basically because it is fall now and it has been getting a little cold. And I don't want my skin to freak out from no humidity, no nothing, and trying to dry up like a prune. Wow, my face is very sensitive. As you can tell, the red is coming through. So I am super white this Halloween. I am just crazy white. My face is honestly the lightest and my skin's just like a little darker, as you can tell. So I am taking my light shade at the moment, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Cushion Stick Radiant Makeup. This one I got a long time ago. I just really never use it because it has a little bit of a pinky tone for my skin tone, but I still love it. But it is like super natural and definitely something that I like during the winter or fall. For today's video, I just figured I didn't really want to go in with something crazy because I've been doing a lot of crazy looks the past like month. So I was thinking I could just go in with something very pretty, something very Halloween-y, something that you guys can do at home of course, and also something that's just really easy and something you could do to go to a Halloween party. I will link all the products I am using down below, but this is my concealer I've been using forever. It is actually the Morphe concealer that they came out with. I do have a full like in-depth foundation routine. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it up here. If you guys really want to know like how to get like the perfect flawless finish. Also, if you're new to makeup. So I'm thinking of going for like a smoky but with a pop of like a cut crease of a green. I feel like last time I did a green look was a while ago and it actually got a lot of views and a lot of people loved it, so I figured I'd go in with green again and see what happens and see if I can pull it off. Going in with some Laura Mercier translucent powder, which is just everyone's fave since 2018 I think is when I started using it. Putting that where that concealer was pressed into. What have you guys been up to? Let me know in the comments down below. Last video was actually a makeup giveaway announcement, so definitely go check out that one. I'll put it up here as well. I am giving away 2 bundles of makeup, so if you guys want to know how to enter, the rules will be in the description down below. I am using the Lovecraft Beauty palette for my bronzer, dabbing that on the nose since I do not contour my nose. So I'm actually going in with a new eyebrow pencil that I'm very excited to try. If you watched my videos before, you know I am a diehard e.l.f. eyebrow pencil girl. So we're definitely venturing out of our comfort zone and going in with the RSLE brow pencil. Gotta open this bad boy up. So there's a trend been going around on Instagram and TikTok, I think, of like this girl saying it cannot always be night, and then you transition into your makeup, you know what I mean? So I'm doing that for today's look. I filmed like the first bit of it before I started filming this, and I'm so excited to see if it turns out good. Oh wow, I actually like this a lot. It's a very small, precise pencil, which I kind of like because I can draw like my lines very well. Wow, look at that. Well, we have to blend it with a spoolie because I look crazy right now. But that took me like 2 freaking seconds. I absolutely am in love. For my eyes today, I am just using one straight palette, and it is going to be the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Volt Collection, the Dark Magic one, which is really good for Halloween because it has a lot of cool tones and just like spooky vibes. I'm just popping the shade in the crease and blending it up and doing it in circular motions. For my lips, I don't want to go like too bold and then my eyes be bold and then I'm like, you know, scary, but I don't want to go with like a nude and be like, oh, basic, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to find like a cool tone brown, I think, for my lips today. We go in with the green Inside Job color. I'm just gonna bring it to the inner lid with just whatever is on the brush left over. And just take Mojo, which is like a brown, a dark, deep brown. I'm gonna take Potion, which is like just a really army green. And just place that all over the center, just to give a little green pop. So we have the colors on. I'm just gonna take this MAC loose powder. It's just a green one. Take a flat brush and just dab it right there. Now once I pop that green in there, I'm gonna go back in with those dark colors and just blend it all out. And I'm just gonna finish it out by doing an eyeliner wing. You don't have to do this, but I'm just going to add a little dimension to the whole look. I'm just going to pop on some mascara, but first we have to curl our lashes. I'm not gonna do fake eyelashes today just because I really want my eyeshadow to be seen. Going in with the Essence Purple Mascara. I love this one. It definitely gives me volume and thickness and length. I think the little blue one I like a little better just because it's waterproof. So it leaves my eyelashes super curly for longer. I didn't know if that was out of focus. I'm sorry if it was. But I do really like this one. It's just it doesn't keep my eyelashes as curly for as long, which is okay. But my eyelashes don't have a lot of curl to them. So I just like them to be like insanely curly. We have some blush to do, so I'm going on with Ducci. I think that's how you pronounce it. I have no clue. It is a palette from Ipsy as well. I'm gonna go in with this shade. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream palette. This is the holographic one. This is not the regular glowy one. This is like out of your comfort zone highlights. So I'm gonna go in with, I'm probably just gonna mix a couple. So I'm probably gonna go in with this yellow mixed with this one. I'm gonna take a really small brush and go in the inner corner with this. Now I think I'm just gonna go in with like a deep dark color. So I'm going in with this lip liner from ColourPop. It's the Bretman Rock one. And it's brown. It doesn't have a shade name for some reason. It's time to go in with a lippy. So I brought two. I have this Kat Von D one, which is like a chocolate. And then I have this Huda Beauty one, which is more of a cool tone, which I think I'm gonna go in with this one just because it's more cool tone and my eyes are very cool tone. And I don't want it to be weird and warm, cool tone, warm, cool tone. It's just weird like that. So I'm just gonna go in with this one. It's very soft. Honestly, these are probably the best liquid lipsticks that I have tried. They're so creamy and so easy to apply, as you can tell. Sorry, I didn't finish my sentence for a while. Last but not least, for this Halloween glam, we are going to finish it off with some Morphe setting spray. That is going to ensure that our face stays on a little bit longer. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found a little bit of inspo throughout this video and just did your makeup with me and gave you some more inspo on to do your makeup for Halloween, girl. Like, do it. Just try it at home. Go through my spooky playlist. It's up here. And just try out all the looks, because why not? It's Halloween. Get out of your comfort zone. I hope you enter my giveaway and win some makeup, because I would love to send it to you. It's US only, so be sure to comment down below and enter. I love you guys, and I will see you next Monday. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. Ooh. I thought I didn't press record. I was about to say, oh